So today I am going to draw the snowman. Okay, snowman, just I will draw the curve. Okay, very easy, simple, and try to draw the big. Okay, and then draw the muffler. Circle again, a circle. Okay, like this. Draw here a line. From here also. Then draw the carrot, then the eye, and the smile. Very easy. Like a button. If you want, you can put one cap also in his head, so that it look good. Okay, so now what you have to do, just we will make the drawing lighter. Okay, we will make the drawing lighter. Then I will take the black color. Okay, I will take the black color first. First na, do one thing, just take out your light blue. First take out your light blue and do the rest of the part first. Okay, with the light blue like this. Then I will blend it. Okay, now just do the black color. Just take out your black color and start blending from the top. Okay, and then I will do the black over here. Okay, just doing the black. Like this. Okay, and then I will do the red color. Okay, I'm going to do the red color. You can use any red like scarlet, primary red, whatever red you want you can use. And I'm going to use I will take na little bit of black color. No, cremine, it will look good. Just I will do the cremine over here and the bottom side, this side. Then I will blend this cremine with scarlet. Okay, scarlet color. Okay, I'm using the scarlet color, just blending the cremine. Okay, and if you don't have the cremine you can use the maroon color also, it's your wish, no problem, it's okay. Just I will use the light blue over here and little bit over here. Sorry. Okay, and curve linings. Now I will blend it with white. Okay, and do the blue over here, then blend it with white. Then I will use the black color. Just I will do the orange over here because carrot is in orange in color, so I will do the orange. Then I will take brown. Okay, brown, and I will start doing the branches like this. Okay, from here also. Okay, and the bottom again light blue, blend with white. Okay, now I will take brilliant blue. Okay, I will take like brilliant blue, and from the bottom now just I will try to make it some linings. Okay, bottom, so that it looks good. Okay, so curve linings. Here also curve linings. Then I will use the black color. So this is over.